Looks like if we go back to December 8th, 7th through the 8th, two back-to-back Starlink missions made headlines on December 7th. 28 Starlink satellites were launched from Vandenberg. Nice. And then from the Kennedy Center, deployed 29 satellites using booster B1067 on its 32nd flight. Yeah, so the Falcon 9 rockets, they're already reusing them. Starship, they're on Starship V3, and V3 is what's going to change the game. So V3 is going to be the reusable Starship that's going to be able to take 100 tons of payload. Let me verify that's correct. How much payload can Starship take to 100 plus metric tons? That's what I was saying, 100 tons. Alright, so that's a lot of raw materials. Like, we're about to be able to get goods from New York to China in 30 minutes. It's literally, I would say, 3 to 5 years away. And the point of and the mission of SpaceX is to make humanity multiplanetary, which ultimately is going to benefit Earth, because if Earth's not booming, then we're not getting multiplanetary. If Earth's not like popping off and being the best place in the galaxy, which I mean, looks like it's the one of the only places, so we should make it the best we can. And I think it's the new frontier. It's like we've colonized all of the inhabitable areas on our planet, and if there's adventurous people out there who want to go and colonize a new planet, I think that, and we have enough resources to where everyone on Earth is taken care of, and Earth is a good place. Sure, I think that people should be able to go. People should be able to be the adventurers and the new Vikings of this age. But yeah, that's kind of my thoughts on that. I think SpaceX is a good thing because it's good to have dreams and it's good to have ambition. And this is a good direction. This is some good ambition that humanity can go towards versus concentrating on constant wars and fighting. And like, we can come together collectively as humans and expand outward into the galaxy and explore the stars. And I think that's a magical. I might even be fantasizing it a bit. It's going to be hard for whoever does go and do. It's probably going to be hard, very hard. I'd go to a city on Mars. I'm not. I wouldn't be the pioneer. I'd go after the city was made. But that's just another thing on like how all of his companies could actually work in tandem together. Is he could actually load up his Starship with the Tesla Optimus robots and basically have them with the mission directive of building like, and also have it filled up with, so you have enough just enough Tesla robots to get enough productive work done, and then you have the raw materials to build a base with, you feel me? And then you have the robots go and build you a base before you even get there. Like, you could have a nice lab and base and maybe even a production facility so that the bots can start building bots on Mars, and then they can start really getting a lot of work done and establishing a city. So I think that would be a really smart way to do it. You could have internet. That planet could have internet before people would even land. You could have satellites surrounding the planet and beaming high bandwidth internet back to Earth. I think it would be like a 14 or 20-minute lag. Let's find that out. Let's see. Closest approach 3 minutes, and then at worst. So the way that what it's talking about right here, and what it's saying closest approach versus farthest conjunction. So Mars and Earth are constantly coming in and out from each other, and that's why this is happening on a cycle of every 2 years. So I guess when it's closer together, it's going to be 3 minutes, obviously, and then when they're further away, 21 to 22 minutes. So that makes sense. Which I guess I was close with my guess of 14 minutes, so it was almost the average. Okay, so yeah, that's fun to think about. I think that's going to be it for today. So until next time, peace.